Good morning, my dear students. Today we'll be understanding message writing. Children, you all know, during the past decade, the widespread use of cell phones has greatly reduced the relevance of written messages. Yet we cannot undermine its utility. We see that we need to send written messages frequently for various people in our contact. Therefore, it is very important for everyone to learn to write short and clear messages. A message is a form of written communication for the person with whom you cannot speak directly. Messages are written to friends, family members, or people we know. These are to convey some important information in the briefest possible manner to a person in whose absence they have been received. Telephonic conversation. Messages are based on telephonic conversations between two people in the absence of a third person for whom the message is noted. Now, children, what is the purpose of writing a message? The purpose of writing a message is to send information or a piece of news to someone who is not present at the moment. Points to remember. It is a short piece of writing that does not require the sender's or the receiver's address written therein. Only a brief salutation should be given. For example, Dear Mom. Your message should contain only the important information. Irrelevant details should be avoided. Mention the date and time when the message is written. Do not exceed word limit, that is 50 words for the body of the message. Now, dear children, we'll talk about the format of a message. First of all, write the word message here. Write date and time when the message is written. Start with a brief salutation, for example, Dear Uncle. Body of the message or the information to be conveyed. Name and signature of the person writing the message. Put the message in a box. Now, dear students, here is a sample message. Shivai has to go to attend his friend Pratham's birthday party at his home. When he leaves, his mother is not at home, so he leaves a message for her stating where he is going, why, and when he'll return. Supposing yourself to be Shivai, write a message for his mother. Dear children, firstly write the word message and then write date, time, and salutation, and then body of the message. I am going to attend my friend Pratham's birthday party at his home and will return at around 8 pm. Please don't worry. Now, dear children, at last, name of the person writing the message, and we all know who is writing message here? Shivai. And now, put the message in a box.